This was a fun game. I'm playing with Bravo, Barf, and Matt, and we're going to hit our personal record of 25 team kills. More crowns, more crowns.
Everybody's got a crown. Taking heals.
I don't know how to time this, but... Oh shoot! I made it! Are you kidding me? Yes! Woo! Get it. One of the coolest things I've ever done in Minecraft. Check out that empty spot in my inventory. Watch that. Welcome back. I'm Alpha Mike 1.
It's 2 more damage.
So,
We have got company, so get your gun.
Keith, you got a guy on the other side of the barn there.
There's one more in the barn.
Where, in the inside?
Inside.
We're killing that guy. Get that, but I am kind of always away.
We got new company right here.
One more. In this.
There's another one here somewhere. I got past me. No, he didn't. I'm doing everything with this purple compact SMG.
Okay, Matt. How you doing?
Yo. Great. I'm
shot.
gonna go for this supply drop after I link up with you guys.
Woo!
Nice shot.
Slut.
Kill stealing motherfucker.
Fuck you. That was
I
mine.
put a DMR headshot in there just before Mike finished him.
So it was a team kill.
It was.
Accusatory motherfucker. I'm catching up with Matt and Dante. Or Matthew's dead to me. Fuck him.
Supply drop.
We should probably all go to Matt, right?
This is gonna be
I
great.
have a porter rift if shit goes sideways.
This loot is gonna be fantastic and worth.
Ooh.
Wow, it sucks ass. Alright. Go somewhere out.
Wish I found here.
In the Coney?
Boy, I hope you've got good speakers.
Yes or no?
Yeah, that is good.
I got somebody to meet up close. Matt's being. I have to find this guy. This dude right here. Hold, make him come this way.
Going up.
Does anybody have another?
They must have dipped because I'm not seeing them.
They're running this way.
I'm fucking low on ammo.
I've got 217.
Here. Here. He's hurt. That's a rock. Finish him. His team's in the house.
Oh, crown.
His team's in the house. One under the house. Healing up there. Wow.
Okay.
Nice. Job team now. Stay alert. Grab all that crap and let's go and move.
We
Another purple combat. Anybody?
wait, another purple combat.
SMG.
Yes, I keep on moving.
Anybody
Yeah,
want this
pick-
blue striker?
Dropping a gold ranger. Threat level.
I
Okay,
survived.
I do have a Portal Rift if we need it. That flare gun, I think, is just invaluable. Going to Matt.
Let's just leave that. Put her down.
Contact.
Specifically? Oh, and Keith. He's way back there. Going back to Keith. Go back to Keith.
2.
Probably you. Tree back to us. Where are they? The gas station?
Gas station.
No, I don't see him yet.
We can wait for him and mess him
Yeah, I
up a
held
little
up Keith. Hold
Here
up.
they are jumping in. One south, one left.
bit. Use that portal rift.
Woohoo!
Backing up, backing up, backing up. A lot of water.
From the right, from the right, from the right.
Go.
That's so much
Gunned him down
loot.
just cause.
We need to take care of these crowns.
Yellow mark. Got a
There's a
team.
team. There's a fight up for our left.
Got a guy dropping in behind me.
Sprint. Ignore him. Nope. You turn to fight.
I think he's a single. I think we take him.
No, team right there.
Ooh.
Oh, he's done.
Nice, 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 nice.
People on our other side of the
Let's go up the hill, yeah?
There was a llama
Sure.
here.
Guessing there's a rift right there.
That was, yeah, that llama was just there. A truck
Wanna go
coming
to
in
the
right,
right?
left.
Don't let anybody
Should we
come
just
up on
get
the
into
zip
Daily
lines.
Bugle? Or should we stay here?
I'd wait here. We have options.
Zip line to
here.
the other side.
What?
And I have a Porter Rift too, FYI.
Okay, go on the other side.
Okay, go.
I need that gun. Alright, mistake for mid.
We have the same problem.
Nah, I
behind
feel
her.
like this side's better.
Oh, there you go. The stuff is in.
Right here.
Matt, do you
Yeah, right
still
here.
have your flare gun?
Just keep an eye
Yeah.
out. Will you do this? Will you do the temple?
Do pyramids
on the
over
other
here, blue
side?
mark?
Tell me if there's somebody in temple, because that's where we don't have any cover from here.
Matt's actually down in the divot right now and he's in trouble. We need to cover him. Where are they, buddy?
Right on, right.
I'm running.
Oh, he has a crown. Someone come over here and take it.
There's no crown here. That was a freaking. blast
Shut
zone
up,
there.
Barf.
Why do I feel like I'm all alone?
Oh, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help.
God, two up here with me. God damn it.
Did he fall?
Another crown over here.
Where's Bravo?
And somebody's, we need to get that ticket now. Somebody's pocket.
I have 2 crowns.
No, you can't have two.
That sucks. Alright, where can I res you? Are over there? Alright.
Yep.
There's a plaid chest. Hey, little llama.
Fuck, I lost my heals and shields.
We don't need any of it.
7 players, 3 teams.
Somebody behind that tree.
Yeah, Matt, there's a dude straight through.
If he's in our way, we'll just kill him.
Somebody's using the reboot thing.
Shoot him out of the air.
Nine players. Heal, man, heal. Got somebody down the trees on him. another crown.
Everyone's got a crown.
Everyone's
Alright,
got a
here, we can
crown.
res you can pick it up.
If you hurry up and reboot me, yes.
Hey,
Hands on the
just
van.
for the record, I'm here first.
Thanks, Barb. Hands on the van. 6 players, 3 teams.
And taking fire.
You guys want a portal rift?
Hit something.
Not yet. but
I've been
get this done.
doing some
Get this
damage.
crown right here.
There's a
Boom
team
up.
moving right there. Right there.
Where?
Up on other
In the
side of the hill,
storm.
other side of the hill.
They're over there.
I got a team here as well.
We're pushing this side. Tree.
Oh,
More
another
crowns, more crowns.
Everybody's got a crown. Taking heals.
I got no shield. Can you get smalls?
Yeah, I got small.
Negative.
Can I drop it in?
It's in the tree.
Which one?
Right here.
And that's a
Game Boys!
Nice job.
I didn't even. Was that. That was the last one?
Mike. With
You had
11
11
kills.
kills, Mike.
Did I? I didn't even know.
Bravo with 8
Holy
spots.
shit. 21.
21. 25.
25. Okay. That one's making YouTube, boys. Good job.
8 kills,
That's-
5
That's
assists.
2 records in there.
11 kills, 6 assists, 2,300 damage. I had no idea. I had no idea it was having that good a game. Woo! Good win, boys. With a crown.
Crown.
Yeah. Team crown and a late Bravo white. And then more crown. No more.
Bravo grabbed
That
2
was-
crowns.
That was the freaking crown.
Well, that was our squad
Yeah, it
record
was.
and my first time airing my new intro. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm Alpha Mike 1. Thank you so much for watching.
Jeez,
Matt, how many crowns is that for you?
1?
yeah. Uno?
Do you
Big
even
one.
have? Do you have this? Yeah, you do. Let's say 2. No, 1.
5 kills, boys.
Wow. Good win. and Thanks for putting that skin on. That's what I'm talking about.
Man, we had to work for it tonight, too. We had to work hard.
But that is fantastic work on the Ojo.
Yeah,
That's
it's
right,
8
bro.
for you.
I put you at 8.
What are we at, Keith? Are we at 6? Were we at 5 before? I can't remember.
We're at 5.
You're the same place
So
you've
we're at
always
6.
been, 2 steps behind me.
That sounds right.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, switching over to civilization. I've got
I
a
am
world to
out.
conquer.
I'm gonna leave it to you boys. I'm done.
All right, hey, good games.
Good games, though.
tonight.
Good games.
2 records. Building machines.
Yeah. We made a record and then went ahead and broke it.
Ugh. All right.
Or
thanks
are
for
they two
breathing
different
really close to
records?
my face.